Are you tired of those high monthly car payments or feeling like you're paying way too much in interest? Weary face. You know, the average American spends hundreds every month on their auto loan, but what if I told you there's a straightforward way to potentially slash that number and keep more money in your pocket? That's right. We're talking about refinancing your car loan, and today, we're focusing on one of the biggest names in the game, Capital One. Refinancing an auto loan basically means replacing your current loan with a new one, ideally with a lower interest rate or a more favorable term. Capital One makes this process incredibly user-friendly, and I'm going to walk you through their simple, 3-step method. Step 1. Get pre-qualified in Minutes Stopwatch. The first and easiest step is checking your potential savings without any commitment. Capital One lets you pre-qualify online by providing some basic information about yourself, your car, and your current loan. You'll need details like your name, address, income, your car's VIN, vehicle identification number, and the balance of your current loan. The best part? Capital One uses a soft credit inquiry for this pre-qualification. This means checking your offers won't hurt your credit score. Once you submit your info, they'll show you custom offers and what you could save. This is a huge advantage. You get real numbers before you commit to a full application. Step 2. Select your custom offer and apply white heavy check mark. If you like what you see, the next step is moving forward with your chosen offer. You'll select the loan term and rate that works best for your budget, whether you want a lower monthly payment or a shorter loan term to pay it off faster. At this stage, you'll complete the full application, which will require you to upload or provide documents for verification, like your driver's license, proof of income, and current loan details. Once all your information is verified, this is when Capital One will do a hard credit check. If approved, you'll digitally e-sign the contract. This part finalizes your agreement and kicks off the last step of the process. Step 3. Finalize and start saving. Money bag. Congratulations, you're almost done. This is where Capital One takes over the heavy lifting. They will directly pay off your previous lender for you. You don't have to handle the money transfer, Capital One does it all. They'll also help facilitate the process of transferring the title to list Capital One as the new lien holder. This can take a little time, depending on your state's DMV. Finally, you can start managing your new loan. You can make payments, view your balance, and manage everything conveniently through the Capital One mobile app. Refinancing with Capital One is designed to be a streamlined digital process that can potentially save you a significant amount of money over the life of your car loan. Always remember to check their specific vehicle and loan requirements to ensure your car qualifies before you begin. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.